frost. Enough time and stress and desperate. Enough no make no step, me never get no wealth. Wanna go try till breath no left. Yeah. But what if me did give up and tell myself say me can't bother? Would find a chart topper, pocket put the green grasshopper. Could help my daddy, nah mama.
Hi guys, I don't know, it's the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what a gem. Right now we're all we are at Coral Cliff right now. We're about to get something to eat and stuff. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Coral Cliff, but you have a gaming lounge downstairs, and then upstairs where we're gonna go is the casino and dinner. Gambling upstairs, you know? So, oh guys, this is Matthew, the neighbor.
So like here, I'm not gonna lie, here looks big work for me. A lot of people here, but it looks really good. And yeah, I'm watching another building, it's on my neighbor. Can you see me? So yeah, I'm trying to get something.
Yeah, we'll get something to eat. Guys, to tell you the truth, I was not gonna vlog today because I'm so tired. I'm not able to feel like the music loud. I'm so tired from the gym. Look for nobody else. I'm serious. So, I feel like up here pot though. I'm not used to enough people. My thing is mad dark. Yeah. We were going to eat at Coral Cliff, but we changed our minds. So, we'll go for one place up here, so. We'll go over one place across from Coral Cliff and see if it's better. Yes. Yeah, so we'll go one place up here, so.
She's going to Hallandale. I asked her if she wanted to come here, but I think she has a
We're gonna eat. And that's it. So guys, the lighting is not so good. Chair too close to here, so. The lighting is not so clear. Tell them your YouTube name.
Oh, SOAI vlog, so that's SOAI.
Just type, let me tell you what me do when I go on the channel. I type in Stuck on an Island, Jamaican YouTuber. And I get him there all the time. Guys, it's kind of dark now, so I won't keep vlogging.
He called Debut, D-E-B-U-T.
We're gonna come up the stairs, like the third restaurant. So guys, it's kind of dark now, so I'm not gonna continue vlogging. I wish the vlog would be longer. If we go over back to Coral Cliff, I'll vlog that. But yeah, go and make up on yourself. Please remember to subscribe and show the love. Leave a comment below and stuff. I went to the gym today. I did legs today, so my legs are burning me like crazy. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. So pick up on yourself and baby.
Sorry.
My light is so bright. You know I never vlog
That's
with my
lighting
front light.
though.
The lighting though. So guys,
in most vlogs.
we well, I got chicken breast and wings, jerk chicken. We're in a company road because the road got locked. Once again, jerk chicken like this. And thing. I want my record. wondering if I was recording because I don't normally record with this camera. I record with the other camera. But yeah, we are gonna mash up with food on the road and a roadside me there eat so unscrupulous. But yeah, me I gonna mash up with food and thing, you know. So I'll see you guys. I don't know if I'll come back to you guys because I don't know anything work. But pick up on yourself, same me and thing. This is what's left of the jerk chicken.
Got the conch and we got
Steven don't eat fish. I'm trying conch.
crime scene.
I'm trying conch right now and stuff. Matty I struggle with the chicken over there so and stuff. So yeah guys, I mash up with food. But the only thing is then if I get my nothing for drink, so I dead the thirst now. So if my drop dog, if you don't get this vlog here, a thirst kill me. But yeah, we're gonna. You want to try 27 the juice? That's a wheat place.
Can I face wheat place?
Yeah.
That's a wheat juice.
No, but not drink that. So guys, what? We're currently on the road. Kind of dark. Walking to a new place down here called 2020. They do the marijuana thing and also they do juice. So they never give me no juice, so we're gonna see if they have juice there. We're gonna see if they have juice there and stuff. And things. So that's basically what I'm doing now. Yeah. So that's basically what I'm doing now in these streets. Body down. So later. Hi guys. You don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what a damn. I didn't get to end the vlog properly last night because one, it was really dark, and two, but it busy. So yeah, I'm ending the vlog now. I'm at the gym. I just did my workout. I want to take off my exercising belt and show you guys what that looks like. So I'm about to do that. Is it? Of course you're in there. You know, pause. You know. Yes, I'm gonna take off my belt now. I didn't bring my tripod, so and if I can't hold this, I'm gonna take off my exercising belt. What you advance something?
Exercising now?
Belt. I'm a belly bag. My garbage bag. So yeah, I'm gonna take off the belt and I'm gonna try set up a phone so I can see that. Guys, I have my skylight cap. I don't come to the gym without it these days. Stuff. Guys, I have an idea coming up for to go with the belly gun thing. I'm trying it out now to see how it works. And if it goes well, that will be good. So I have an exercising belt and a garbage bag. Yo. Guys, the people water was running on my clothes, so they're not good. Alright, so this is what I look like from the side. Look like me I get abs. So what is every day from the start by the gym I do abs like 150. Like I did 300 for 2 days and then today I just did 150. So now I keep the abs up on thing. So I'm just gonna go home now and in the vlog here. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you.